Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe out there. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing on a daily basis with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom. And yes, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. It's been awesome so far. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm absolutely loves when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. So thumbs up is down there. It doesn't cost you anything. Give it a good old tap. Would really help and would really appreciate it. All right, let's get straight into it. Little disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. It can be extremely risky and volatile, and I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto. So please be careful out there. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. All right, formalities are out of the way, ladies and gentlemen. Yes, it's going to be another market update today. Yes, I'm talking about Ripple. And yes, it is going to change the world. That is facts right there. Straight up. There's an awesome video on Twitter. We'll play that in a second as well. But let's go straight to the community tab. All right, Goldman Sachs right here. This is what I'm saying. Don't listen to... clicking on the hashtag right there, but don't listen to the mainstream media out there, because this is facts right now. Look at this. Goldman Sachs, one of the biggest banks on the planet. 2017, Bitcoin is a vehicle for fraudsters. 2018, Bitcoin is never coming back. 2020, Bitcoin is not a real asset. 2021, Bitcoin to be offered to clients. 2022, the year we're all in right now, raising $2 billion to buy Celsius assets right now. So this is what I'm saying. 81% of you have said like 5 slaps in the face. Anyway, so don't listen to mainstream media and all the fear out there, because there's a lot going on at the moment. I've had friends and family come to me, saying, what's happening with crypto? It's going down. No. The big boys are buying. This is what you need to do. Follow the big money right here. Crypto is not going anywhere. It's just getting started. Pretty crazy price predictions I'll play you in a second in relation to the total crypto market cap. Anyway, it's insane. Moving on. Facts. The rich don't sell in a recession. The real rich people get richer in a recession because they can buy valuable things on the cheap. That's facts right there. 94% of you have agreed with that. 480 votes. That's awesome to see that everybody agrees. 6:40 a.m. This is a little bit later that I posted this up. I wake up a lot earlier than this. Luna Classic was up 31%. Luna 2.0, 10.72%. RSR Reserve Rights, 8%. You've got Tron at 3.88%. And Win, for me, is up 1%. Again, that's just literally the only altcoins that are up in my portfolio. Anyway, let's go to Coinspot. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia, by the way. Please feel free to use the referral link below. You will get $10 in Bitcoin if you use that, but please do your own research, of course. Be careful. All these prices are in Australian dollars. Yes, this video is not old. It is 7:30 at night. I've had an insane day today, 28th of June, 2022. Anyway, moving along. Bitcoin sitting at 30,000 Australian dollars today, down nearly 2% again. I'm not really worried about that. Bitcoin's going to $1 million. I believe that. Ethereum's at $1,800. You've got XRP at 51 cents now. I honestly believe these prices in the next few years, we will never see these again. That's the truth right there. Cardano's at 72 cents. Solana's at $57 right now. Doge is at 10 cents. You've got Polkadot at $11. Tron's at 9 cents. Moving down to my other favorites here, Matic's at 80 cents right now. You've got Link at $9. You've got Stellar at 17 cents. You've got Near Protocol at $5. That's a gem. Algorand's at 49 cents. Moving down to some other favorites of mine, you've got VeChain at 3 cents. That is going to be absolutely huge with supply chain. Just remember that. Supply chain and logistics is massive, and there's a lot of problems in the world at the moment. Again, it's all going to the blockchain, and VeChain is going to be there at the forefront. Hedera's at 10 cents right now. Axie Infinity's at $24. Moving down to some other ones right here. IOTA is at 43 cents. You've got the Graph at 16 cents. Phantom is at 42 cents. Quant is at $89. Now, I know that's quite expensive. I mean, for some people as well. I did put money into that. I really believe that this is going to be a pretty insane coin to hold for the future. It has less of a total supply than Bitcoin right now. And again, I believe Quant will easily be a $10,000 asset in the future. It is just insane right there. So I'm definitely dollar cost averaging into Quant more, obviously. Luna Classic is up 28%. Again, I only threw in $102 into this, so it's nice to see that go up. Moving on, you've got Gala at 9 cents. And of course, what else have we got here? XDC at 3 cents right now. Now, I've seen some rumors going around that this has been a rug. No, I don't believe that at all. Sinfin is making some incredible moves in the crypto space with partnerships with Impel. And again, trade finance, ladies and gentlemen, this is a gem right here. XDC for me, anyway, it's my own opinion, is a gem. Now, let's go to the news. Let's go to crypto bubbles. Again, there's obviously a lot of stuff to get through now. I'm going to try and go through as fast as I can. I've had a Red Bull as well, so there you go right there. A little bit of an endorsement, not really, but anyway, let's have a look. You've got TON up 24%. Lunar Classic is up 25% on the day, 60% on the week, and on the month it's up 3.3%, which is just, insane. There's some pretty full-on stuff happening with Dogecoin as well, and Anonymous is pretty full-on. What else have we got here, ladies and gentlemen? Of course, you've got XTZ up 8%. You've got this one here, ladies and gentlemen. Not really a fan of this, but it's up 13% anyway, for those of you who are invested in that. Toncoin, still crazy gains. I mean, I don't know what this is. I'll have to look into it, but it's up 24% on the day, 21% on the week, 8% on the month, and 107% on the year, which is just ridiculous. So had you bought down here at $1, you'd be up really nicely on your money. Let's move along to some other news updates. Look at this. I just want to point out something crazy. Now, this is an article that came out in 2018. Sometimes it pays to go back and research some other articles and updates about crypto. Royal Bank of Canada. Crypto and blockchain could unlock a $10 trillion market cap right now. $10 trillion was also said by Brad Garlinghouse, and I believe Raoul Pal said it's going to be going to like 100 trillion or some ridiculous amount. But anyway, this is going back then. So a new report in the Royal Bank of Canada analyst outlines potential use cases for blockchain technologies while predicting a $10 trillion industry right now. So research analyst at the Royal Bank of Canada sees cryptocurrency, blockchain technology, and decentralization as a potential $10 trillion ecosystem. I mean, this just goes to show how early we are in this space when you think about it. And when we watch the video of Linda P. Jones, who's awesome, by the way, she makes some pretty good points right here. This is going to be generational wealth. Straight up. This is going to be life-changing money. And a lot of people in the world at the moment have no idea about what's going on. If you're watching this channel in this video right now, you obviously are understanding of what's happening in the world right now. Mainstream media is not talking about this at all. Nobody even knows about this stuff. If you care to know, just educate yourself on this stuff. Moving on. Ripple co-founder Jed McCaleb's XRP account expected to be empty in a month. He's selling off like crazy. He hasn't got that much left. So the account of Ripple co-founder Jed McCaleb on the XRP ledger, known as the Taco stand, is expected to be empty in a month as the co-founder's XRP token sales have been ongoing, but tokens being released are starting to dry up. At first pointed out by a user on social media user data from a website tracking Jed, which I've used before, the Ripple's co-founder's account now has around 96 million XRP tokens left. At his current selling pace, he's expected to have between 23 and 27 days left before the account is empty, which is good. So, check this out. Year to date, McCaleb has sold over 500 million XRP tokens on the market. That is a lot of tokens right there. Obviously, he started working on Ripple back in 2011 and was part of the founding team when the firm launched in 2013. So it's an old project. While he left in 2014 to work on Stellar XLM, he was awarded 8 billion XRP tokens for his role in developing and founding OpenCoin, obviously, which was later rebranded to Ripple, which is just insane. So he was awarded 8 billion XRP. So he's almost out. So if we put that, what are we now, June, July, probably around August, he's going to be done. So that's good. Moving on. Again, some other stuff. He's dumping 40 million XRP tokens in the last 10 days. That is insane. And you've got some other stuff here. 18 million worth of XRPs now controlled by large BSC Whales. So again, this is not anything to be worried about or concerned. But you've got the top 500 BSC Whales right here. So you've got here Dome, $31 million. Cake is at $24 million. Crazy stuff right here. Something to just keep in mind that whales are buying a lot of XRP straight up right now. That's happening. So check this out. Whales have been actively accumulating and growing their holdings by purchasing at a bargain in response to the tumultuous trading actions seen since the beginning of 2022. XRP whales holding between 1 million and 10 million XRP continued accumulation binge, as reported by You Today. Whales are buying XRP, ladies and gentlemen. Just keep that one in mind. Crazy. Check this out right here. Institutional investors exit crypto markets at fastest rate ever recorded, coin shares. So a leading digital assets manager says large institutional investors are exiting crypto markets at a historic rate. In the latest digital asset fund flows weekly report, CoinShares finds that the digital asset investment products suffered over $420 million of outflows last week, with Bitcoin taking the brunt of the blow. Digital asset investment products saw outflows totaling $423 million last week, the largest since records began by a wide margin. The outflows were solely focused on Bitcoin, which saw net outflows of $453 million. So it's pretty crazy what's happening right now. But meanwhile, you've got institutions wanting to get involved. So balances each other out by the looks of things. That's what I think anyway. Moving on. Let's go have a look at this right now. Celsius seeks show of client support right here as lawyers push for a Chapter 11 bankruptcy. So lawyers hired by crypto lender Celsius are advocating for a Chapter 11 bankruptcy, according to the people with knowledge about the situation. But executives at the firm believe many of its clients would prefer Celsius to avoid lengthy and painful bankruptcy proceedings. So embattled crypto lender Celsius Network is resisting a recommendation from its own lawyers to file a Chapter 11 bankruptcy and seeking a show of support from users to help win the internal argument against the suits. There's a lot happening right now. I know BitBoy apparently is starting his own class action lawsuit. And again, you've obviously got Goldman Sachs coming out to try and acquire Celsius right now. So pretty full on what's happening in the market at the moment. There's a lot happening. So with the company's management prevented from making any public pronouncements due to the legal advice, Celsius believes many of its retail clients would prefer the firm to avoid bankruptcy, according to the people with knowledge of the situation. To that end, users can show their support by engaging in the HODL mode in their Celsius account. Now, I'm not invested in Celsius. I haven't got any money on that. I've seen some tweets about people, they're still getting paid rewards. However, they're not able to access them, which is pretty much useless, which is really annoying as well. So I don't recommend anyone jump into any platforms at the moment. Just sit on the sidelines and just wait it out, because it can be pretty risky. You can lose your money. What else you got here, ladies and gentlemen? Anonymous threatens Terra's Do Kwon. I saw the video of this on Twitter or TikTok, I believe it was, with Justice in a new video right now. So this is not good. So on the back of Luna's UST collapse in May, hacktivist collective Anonymous has vowed to make sure Terra co-founder Do Kwon is brought to justice as soon as feasible. On Sunday, a video allegedly made by the hacker collective Anonymous rehashed a long list of Kwon's alleged wrongdoings. This includes withdrawing $80 million per month from UST and Luna before the latter's collapse, and is part of his demise of the stablecoin basis Cash. Do Kwon is reported to have co-founded the latter in the late 2020 under the alias Rick Sanchez. The video message said, Do Kwon, if you are listening, sadly, there is nothing that can be done to reverse the damage that you have done. At this point, the only thing that we can do is hold you accountable and make sure that you are brought to justice as soon as possible. I mean, $80 million a month? That's just insanity right there. Crazy money, man. Wow. Moving on. Let's go to Cryptometer.io, then we'll get into Twitter, the juicy stuff right here. So in the last day, you've got Ethereum, WBTC, Wrap BTC, you've got FTT and XMR Monero, Bitcoin, Tron, and again, if you go to the last hour, let's just have a quick look at this. You've got Ethereum, L2C, TRX, you've got Sol, Ape, Meh, Atom, FTM, Shiba Inu, BCH, and ACA. Imagine if the SEC went after ApeCoin. Just saying. I'm amazed that they haven't even been, this has caught their attention. Just facts right there. Anyway, moving on. Let's go to Twitter. Have a look here, ladies and gentlemen. CZ, money is not a limited resource. I agree. Goldman Sachs analysts downgraded Coinbase to a sell rating as the crypto winter continues to take all its toll on struggling digital currency exchange. I personally did not buy Coinbase shares. I know a lot of people did, but that is absolutely tanking right now. So look at this, 75% drop. That's devastating right now. Link to some other bullish news right now. Japanese megabank Sumitomo Mitsui Financial Group just acquired a major stake in Ripple's partner SBI Holdings, which is known to be a major owner of XRP. That's bullish as anything, ladies and gentlemen. This is interesting right now. Bitcoin is incredibly cheap right now, and I agree. It has only traded this far below its 200-day trend and its aggregated cost basis of 3% of its entire existence. Now, I just want to make a point of this chart just quickly, right? Just look at the rise of Bitcoin from 2012 over the years. It's still in an upward trend right now. which is really nice to see this. It's not going down back towards where it was, ladies and gentlemen, of 2012. It's still continuing to go up. It's only going to keep going up. The supply is finite. It will be in full circulation in a few years. Bitcoin's price, I believe, and I put a video up on my TikTok about this, and again on my channel, I think it's easily going to hit some insane numbers. 250,000, 500 to a million in the next 5 to 10 years. So again, I'm dollar cost averaging and still holding it. Celsius CEO Alex Mashinsky, anyway, flight to Israel was reportedly halted by authorities at the airport. Keep an eye on that one. That's pretty full on. You've got XDC adoption right here. There've been some bullish updates about this, so have a look at this video right now. I'm not going to play it because it's got music. But again, they've partnered with Impel in June 2022, which is nice. Have a look at this. Welcome to Impel. Impel is a fintech company powered by the XDC network. Announced they are live. Impel was created to cost-efficient alternative legacy systems. ISO 222, guys. That's bullish as anything. Now, I want to play you this right now. Linda P. Jones, I love this video right now, so full credit to yourself. This is awesome. Have a listen to this, ladies and gentlemen.
The company, yeah, this is an amazing time. I mean, I've called it the quantum age. Many people have called it, different things. But I think that the companies that are forming now are changing the world. This whole concept of blockchain, money moving at the speed of the internet is where we need to go. And that has held us back for such a long time. And also many people, billions of people actually all over the world don't have access to banking. They don't have access to simple funds. And the ability for them to have access through their phone is going to change their financial situation. So I think the potential to bring worldwide prosperity is greater than we've ever seen before. And for people who are interested in investing, the compounding rates, you're exactly right, Irene. The compounding rates are higher than we've seen for anything else.
Listen to this.
Bitcoin being the first of this new asset class has the highest compounding rate of any asset class ever in history. And that's just the beginning. There are others that have performed better than Bitcoin, actually, and will continue to perform better. And I think that we're going to see enormous wealth building. We're under $1 trillion now for the total crypto markets. We were up as high as 3 trillion. Brad Garlinghouse is saying in a few years, 10 trillion. Raoul Pal has said by the end of the decade, $100 trillion in value. This is the kind of wealth that is going to be created. It's way bigger than the internet. People need to get in and learn about this early and start investing while they can invest 35 cents in one of the most remarkable companies that's going to change the world. This is the time right now.
Is that incredible? I mean, straight up, 17,000 views. I don't even need to say anything. You all know what's coming right now. It is going to change the world, and we have an opportunity right now to buy something that is, so cheap, that is going to be life-changing. So again, it's incredible. Have a look at this. I tweeted this because it's just unbelievable. So Lebanon right now, inflation has hit 211% in May. That is devastating. Unbelievable. Wow. That's terrible. I feel sorry for them. It's horrible what's happening there. Imagine the cost of living. Wow. Goldman Sachs urged people to buy Coinbase when it was $300 a share, and now they're urging people to sell. The stock plunges over $50 right now. Banks give bad advice on purpose. They simply need dumb retail to buy their bags for exit liquidity. That's straight up. That's facts right there. Moving on right here, you've got 58% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, including 30% of those earning $250,000 or more. Now, I've seen some comments about this. Yes, I know they've probably got higher living costs and they're probably living, beyond their means. But regardless, the people, the middle class and the lower class, it's not good. So we need to fix this. Straight up, we need to fix it. Anyway, we will do that through crypto, hopefully, fingers crossed, which I'm pretty sure will be okay. Anyway, Grayscale has partnered up with trading firm Jane Street right here and Virtue to convert GBTC into Bitcoin ETF right now. Approval next week. Going to be very interesting right here. Goldman Sachs lowers its price target and downgrades Coinbase. Of course, they're manipulating. Another interview of Brad Garlinghouse. I'm going to have a quick play of this.
And Chase,
Listen to this.
We've seen pilots with I think 6 different payment providers. I have publicly said we expect this year for at least one bank to use XRP in their payment flows, to use XRapid.
Are you sticking to that this year? We'll see.
100%.
Okay.
And the reason is, I mean, just to boil that down a little bit, it's faster, it's cheaper, and so a little bit like, why wouldn't someone use it? And to your point, I don't think JP Morgan Chase, they're one of the largest liquidity providers on the planet. Citibank's one of the largest liquidity providers on the planet. So do I think, for a dollar yen, dollar euro, no. But, look, if you go talk to a lot of banks around the world, they're paying Citibank for liquidity. They're paying JPM for liquidity. And if they can then use a product like XRapid to fund real-time liquidity into, let's say, the Philippines, into Brazil, that's a big shift for them in a very positive way. So
that was back in 2018. Now, have a look at this tweet. Now, thank you, NX, for this. So I ask you to listen to what Brad Garlinghouse said in Jan 2018. And now rethink if this SEC lawsuit is real or was just used as a weapon to slow down or even destroy. That's exactly what it was done for, to slow down and destroy Ripple. This is what they wanted to do, but Ripple is fighting back, and that is bullish for all crypto right now. BlackRock, Bitcoin is highly disrupted and innovative, says global head of ETFs right here. And Gensler, this is not what he said, obviously. Just in SEC, Gensler said Bitcoin is the only cryptocurrency that is a commodity. He's so wrong on so many levels, and I can't wait for the judge to absolutely destroy him. I hope that happens right there, and he just gets absolutely wrecked because he's destroyed a lot of people's lives, with XRP in particular as well, and all of crypto is going to affect anyway. See, Fear and Greed Index right here is at 10 right now, so we'll keep an eye on that. It's still moving around a lot, so let's go to CoinMarketCap. By the way, if you're not following me on TikTok, feel free to do that as well. Love doing the videos on there. It's hilarious. I love TikTok. I have awoken my 3 commas trading bots. I got out of my deals because they're like 90% down. So whatever, I've taken a big hit on that, but I'm just trading now on Bitcoin. Just one bot at the moment. So I'll keep everyone updated on that. Let's go to Coin Market Cap. Right here, you've got the total market cap at $932 billion. Now, could you imagine that number up there at $10 trillion or $100 trillion? Imagine what the prices of all these coins are going to be like. That's why I love documenting the prices. $56 billion in volume, 42% BTC, 15% Ethereum. We're in the red at the moment. There's a lot of macro stuff going on, but however, I'm focused on the one list that I love right here, and that is the banking coins. I talk about them all the time. XRP, 35 cents USD. Stellar's at 11 cents. Algorand's at 33 cents. Hedera's at 6 cents. IOTA's at 29 cents. Quant is at $60 US, and XDC is at 2 cents right now. The other one I'm bullish on, of course, is Bitcoin, because that's just the OG. It's going to be around forever. It's only going to be going up in price. Anyway, that's pretty much it for today's market update, ladies and gentlemen. I'm out of here. I've been here since very early, and I need to get some rest and have some dinner. So we'll speak to you in the comments, and make sure you're following me on Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, of course, and anywhere else that you find my channel, but just be careful of the fake handles and stuff, all right? Stay safe, everyone. We'll speak to you tomorrow. Peace. Bye.